Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and in this video it's all about our workshop tour. So if you want to come and see us and have a workshop tour, how do you go about it? Well, you head over to our website, click on the link, pick a time and a date what suits you, and then Jess will confirm that. We'll get you booked in, and then come and see us. Come and see what we do and what we've got on offer at the time. Let's head over to our waiting area and we'll take some more. So now we're in our newly finished waiting area. So you can come in here, you can relax, and we can make you a proper cup of tea in our Orange Campers mugs. It'll probably be Yorkshire Tea. So you can sit here, you can rest, you can take your time, browse all the interior choices. We can go through your build aspects and so on, and what you require, what works for you. We can look at, like I say, material samples, wood samples, interior choices, and then you get an idea of, you can visualize what your camper is going to look like. On that day as well, we can go through a quote with you and put that down on paper so you know from day one what it's going to cost, what's expected of you and what's expected of us, and so on, and it'll really work and put your mind at rest. So if you need to do some work while you're here, we've got some facilities. We're just finishing off our waiting area, and it's designed for customers to come and wait while the vehicle's having some extras put on there, or a habitation check, which you can have done yearly, and so on. But even after the meeting of our time, then you're quite welcome to stay and do some work if you need to, or you can just relax and browse some more at what we've discussed. And then once you've looked at all the ideas and so on of your build, we can go into the workshop and see physically how things are put together, what we've got in build at any one time, and you can see the processes we go through and the time and care and effort we take with each and every van. So like I say, how do you book an appointment? Well, you can come over, you can head over to a website, you can pick a time and a date to suit yourselves, click on the link. Jess will confirm that in writing, by email, sorry, and then all you've got to do then is come and enjoy looking around the Orange Campers workshop. So let's have a look in the workshop and I'll show you what's to be expected. So once in the workshop, you'll meet some of the team. You can have a chat with Mark, our production manager, and get you booked in there, and then have a look at all the things we do in the workshop. Let me have a show you around. At the minute, we've got some nice vans in, ready for conversion, and some bits and bobs. We're waiting on a full big batch of the new medium wheelbase high tops. So we've got a roll out of those to build next, and you'll be able to see the woodwork area and so on, and what really happens here at Orange Campers. Let's go outside and talk about a test drive. So we'll be able to show you the builds in person. I mean, this is a medium wheelbase high top, and this is going out on hire this week. So again, we offer a try before you buy scheme. So if you like what you see, you can come on the workshop day tour and have a test drive, see how the vehicle drives. A new Fiat, as I keep saying, drives tremendous. It's a lovely drive. And then the next step, if you wish to, you can take it away for a few days and really put it through its paces and try it on a try before you buy scheme. So all these ideas really work well. It gives you peace of mind, and you'll be able to see what's actually involved in the vehicle, how we make the vehicles, and how we go through the process of you choosing all your interior design and so on. So head over to our website, book a workshop tour now, and I'll see you soon.